Hi there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today, a bread, but not just a bread, not just any bread, an amazing bread that doesn't require flour, doesn't require yeast, and doesn't require baking soda or baking powder. Yeah, it exists. And I'm gonna show you guys how it's made, and you're going to love it because not only it is delicious, but it is packed with minerals, nutrients, protein, and everything good that it's amazing for your body. So let me tell you how I put it together. Right, so in a bowl we're going to add oatmeal, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, hazelnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, psyllium husk, salt, maple syrup, olive oil, or neutral taste vegetable oil, and warm water. Now, although this bread is very easy to make, there's a few steps that are very important for the recipe. And number one is you don't need to knead it because it's not going to develop any gluten or elasticity, okay? We need to knead it because we want all the ingredients to absorb the water and oil. And for that, it's not kneading that is required, it's time. So we need at least 2 hours resting. You cover it, okay? And then you put it in your kitchen counter for 2 hours or in your fridge, or you can start making it the evening before and bake it in the evening, even better. The two methods work just as wonderful, but I mean, you choose, all right? And now we're going to grease a 25 centimeter bread mold, add a parchment paper to it, and add the dough. Pack it in gently. And now it's going to the preheated oven for 30 minutes initially because it's going to bake again. I will explain it to you. So we put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, all right? And after this time, we remove it from the oven, flip it upside down, and put it back in the mold and bake it for 35-40 minutes more. Now, if you see that your bread is getting too brown too soon, you just control the heat, all right? But basically it's this. And voila, ready. It's yeasty, although there's no yeast in it. Sometimes you can add some rye flour. It makes it darker. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. And although it's a gluten-free recipe, it's foolproof, okay? Because there's no rising involved, no proofing involved, so easy, right? Like I said, it's a dense bread. It's not supposed to raise, so don't worry about that. Just enjoy it because this is delicious, all right? So see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. Check me on my social media and check the recipe on my website. See you next time. Bye-bye.